Hello, I'm David Wilcox with Prosperity Financial Solutions. The One Big Beautiful Bill Act, signed into law July 4th, 2025, is one of the most comprehensive tax and spending bills in recent history. At 940 pages, it includes several long-term changes that affect personal and retirement tax planning. So let's break down the most impactful 2025 tax law changes. The tax brackets from the 2017 Tax Cuts and Jobs Act are now permanent. The top federal income tax bracket remains at 37%, and brackets will continue to be adjusted for inflation. The standard deduction was increased again, rising to $15,750 for single filers, $23,625 for heads of household, and $31,500 for married filing jointly. These amounts will also be adjusted for inflation after 2025. One of the most talked about changes is to the SALT deduction, which stands for state and local taxes. The cap is increased from $10,000 to $40,000 through 2030, but only for taxpayers with adjusted gross income below $500,000. A new $6,000 senior deduction is available for taxpayers 65 and older with income below $75,000 if you're single, or $150,000 if you're married. Above those income levels, the deduction begins to phase out. The child tax credit will rise from $1,750 to $2,200 in 2026 and is now permanent. Taxpayers may also deduct up to $25,000 in gratuities or tips, and up to $12,500 if you're single, or $25,000 if you're married, in hourly overtime pay for tax years 2025 through 2028. Of course, that's subject to income limits of $150,000 if you're single and $300,000 joint. Other notable updates include expanded thresholds for the alternative minimum tax, simplified itemized deduction limits, and a new deduction for new car loan interest up to $10,000. Now, of course, that's on vehicles assembled in the U.S. If you're wondering how these changes affect your current strategy or future retirement income, we're here to help. Reach out for a complimentary review to keep your investments aligned with your risk tolerance and long-term objectives. You can contact us at 561-207-6213. Or if you're out of the area, contact us at 866-656-2050. Be sure also to visit our website at prosperityfinancialsolution.com. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great day.